Yes, if you're a lover of AI and you want to get more done with AI, then I think you need to pay attention to this video, because I'm going to make sure this video is as short as possible but very, very valuable for you. Whether you're a business owner, you are an entrepreneur, you are a student, you're a worker, anything you do, you will need this video. And that is why I want you to watch this video to the end as I welcome you to Value Tout TV. My name is Shonde Abiola David. People call me Uncle Alikam, and today I'll be sharing with you another powerful AI model that will help you do quite a lot of things in record time. Remember, I was one of those people that talked to you, that shared with you about ChatGPT. When Cloud AI came, I also shared with you how Cloud AI changed the narrative. And when DeepSeek came just some weeks ago, I also came on board to share with you how that was a game changer. And today I'm also going to share with you this powerful AI, just like ChatGPT, but very, very powerful, very, very concise. And the beauty of this tool, this AI model, is that it is free. It is still free of charge. And one shocking thing about it is that it's a Chinese product. And you know, anything that Chinese does, they have their own way of taunting the Americans and making sure that they spoil market in quote for the Americans. So that is why you need to pay attention. And what I'm revealing to you is what I call the QWENLM AI. The QWENLM AI. The QWENLM AI is a product by Alibaba. You know, QWENLM is an advanced AI language model that's developed by Alibaba. You know, Alibaba.com, where you import your they are the one that has that platform where you can import stuff from China. They are also the one that has AliExpress, is also their subsidiary. So, and you know, Alibaba also has some other cloud products and services that you can use. So they have come up with their own AI language model, and it is what we call QWENLM AI. And I want to tell you that it's going to change quite a lot of things, and this is the reason why you need it, especially if you're a Nigerian and you are an African, because it's going to help you in your business, in your education, in creativity, in solving everyday problem. And these are some of the things that QWENLM can help you do. You can use it to generate text, you can use it to answer questions, you can use it to write stories, you can use it for coding, because it has one powerful feature called artifact. I think Cloud AI also have what we call artifact, whereby when you are coding or you are writing the code, you are telling the AI model to write a code for you, you can see the code in real time, you can see the response or the feedback from the code in real time. That is artifact. So it's very, very powerful tool. So the purpose of this video is to teach you how to use QWENLM effectively and creatively. So I need to now tell you what are the key features of QWENLM. Number one, it has multilingual support. You know, African languages are, you know, included. You know, you can write in your language. You can tell it to write in Yoruba, you can tell it to write in Pidgin and whatever language you have in Africa. So it has the ability to generate creative content, you know, poems, scripts, articles. In fact, one of the scripts I use in some of my recent videos, I created it on this tool, and I think I'll be able to also create it as I continue in this video. I want it to be as practical as possible. Then it's conversational. No, you can converse with it for personal and professional purpose. So you can talk to it as if you are talking to your friend, or you know, your brother or your sister. So why it is important, like I said before now, is that it will improve your communication skill. Perhaps you are engaging, you are interacting with people from other parts of the world. It will help with your interaction. You can use it to automate tasks. It will also enhance your productivity, and of course, local innovation. It will help you have. The first thing you need to do is you need to launch. You can access it via your phone or your browser on your laptop by going to the link www.chat.qwenlm.ai. That is the URL. Just go to your browser on your phone or your system or laptop. Then it is free. You'll be told to create an account. You can even sign up with your Google account or some other platforms that allows account creation like that. Don't worry, I will show you how to do that shortly. So after you have done that, you see the interface is just like ChatGPT, but one beautiful thing about QWENLM is that it has different models, different language models, and they are free, at least for now. When I'm recording this video, it is still very free. So let me go over and let's see how what we can do with QWENLM. So I go over to my browser, then I'll go over to, okay, I already opened it. Let me open it better. So let me open it better. So you come over here to chat dot, okay, as you can see, QWENLM.ai. Let me open. So you see it. So it's loading. So this is what it will open for you. So but because I already logged in, you just come over here, you can log out and log in, but your interface will not look like this. You have something like login in this my upper part here, where you see my profile picture up here. You see login, so you'll be able to log in via your Google account, or you can sign up normally using email, and you'll be verified and you have access to it. Now this is what I want to show you very quickly. In the QWENLM interface, you can choose these models here. We have like 4 models. In fact, they have more models here, as you can see. Look at it, from 2.5 plus to 2.5 max, which is the most powerful. So I pick 2.5 max because I want it to do the powerful. So if you want to code, you can use 2.5 coder. It will work well for you. If you want a smart large language model, you can. If you want a fast and long contents model, you can use the turbo. So you have different models by just clicking this upper button in the Qwen 2.5 max up here. Just click it and pick the one. So let's say for example I want to use Qwen 2.5 plus. I'll just click on Qwen 2.5, so it will change it, but I'm going back to my 2.5 max. Now that is it. This tab here, this first icon here beside this side here, is where your previous charts are. So you can see these are some of the stuff I have created with this tool, for the last 30 days, the last 7 days and all that. So I just click it back to go back to it. So now another thing you need to know about QWENLM is the fact that from here you can create artifacts by clicking on this icon here. This second one, if you want to web search, you can web search straight away. So it will only bring a generic information. If you want it to think deep and go to the web to search for information for you, just click on this second icon here. Then if you want it to create image for you, just click on this third icon. You see image creation, then you can click which size of the image. That is one beautiful thing about QWENLM. It will tell you which size. Is it 1:1, 3:4? Graphic designer, you know what I'm talking about. So that will be the size of your image. You can also create videos. You can tell it to create videos. You can pick your aspect ratio. If it is 1:1 or 9:16, whichever one you want to pick, you can do that. And I will just unpick either of it. So let me just leave it at the web search. Then you can come over here to upload documents. For example, you want QWENLM to analyze PDFs for you. You want it to analyze an Excel file for you. You can upload it. You cannot even snap, but it said does not support image file for now. So, but those are the beautiful things you can do with your so you can create video, you can analyze image, you can get advice, you can write, you can do quite a lot of things with QWENLM. So now what I want to do now is that I want to write prompt. Let's see how QWENLM works. Let's see what it will do for us, what it can do for us, and let's go. Now I just want to write just one funny stuff just to get engaged with it. Hello. See what it will do for me. So sorry, I picked the artifact, so it's not going to work. So let's see what my AI will bring out for me. So let's wait. So as you can see, it has written some of the things I can do for me. It said I can offer services or my skill. I can go into freelancing, selling my service on Fiverr, Upwork. I can go into tutoring. I can go into handyman work like cleaning, gardening, moving furniture and all that. Then I can dog walk, but all these things may not work in Nigeria. So I can sell unused items to easily raise cash. I can do gig economy by jobs like food delivery, ride sharing, grocery shopping, and I can do quick online opportunities like survey and microtasking, selling my photos on Adobe Photo. And just look at the ideas it's telling me that I can do in the next 3 days to make money. That's how powerful QWENLM is. I can also tell it to draft. See? So let's say draft a cover letter to apply for a job as a WordPress developer in Nigeria. Use a powerful storytelling technique to get better results. So let's see how it generates. Lately, some of these AI model platforms are very slow. I don't know why, but I want to believe they are working on it. So it has drafted an email, a cover letter for me. So if you are a job seeker, you want to be gainfully employed, you can use this prompt, just edit it, and that's giving me a draft. I can just edit it. Let me tell you a story about how I turned frustration into opportunity and why it makes me perfect WordPress developer for your team. So we started with the story, and like that. That's powerful. That's massive. That's so good. That's so great. And I can tell it, can you is writing this my letter, this cover letter in Yoruba language for me? So I will have to now check later if actually it is a correct thing. So if you understand or you can read and write Yoruba language, that's what QWEN 2.5. So I can use QWENLM to also translate languages from one language to another. So that's another powerful thing you can use QWENLM AI for. Now, let's assume that you are a business owner and you want to create content, or you have an offer. And you want to sell and you want to create content for that offer. So let's tell QWENLM to help us create a content marketing plan for that offer. So let me create a new thread. So I'll just click on this second icon above. So it will start all over again. I'll just tell it, I want my campaign period, the objective to drive awareness, engagement, and sales. Then it's telling me the key themes I should use. Love in every sense is what I should be using in my messaging. Gift of love is what I should be using. Luxury redefined is what I should be using. Content pillars, some of the content pillars, some of the things that should be a pillar to my content, emotional storytelling, product feature, user journeys. And one now went further to give me this calendar. So on Instagram, on the 10th, he said on Instagram I should post this type of post with this caption. Then for 11th, I should do Instagram feeds post reveal. Then for Facebook, I should create a carousel post. Why choose it? So with this, I have an idea. I can come over to this same prompt and now tell it, write a content, a Facebook article for February 13th. So it also creates Facebook. It will also create a Facebook article for the content in February 13th. So as you can see, it gives me what I should be doing for the 3 weeks. For the 3 weeks, I can use additional hashtags for it. So look at it, it has created an article for me. So with this article, I can copy and paste it on my Facebook page. I can even go further by telling it to create a flyer for me. Do you see that? I just click on this picture icon here. I should say create a suitable graphic image for the article above. So whoa, I hope you are getting something. So that is the power of QWEN 2.5 QWENLM, not only 2.5 QWENLM AI. So you can do quite a lot of things. After creating the image, I can tell it to create a small video for me, though the video feature is not still perfect. It's still I've tried it but it's not too touch. They still need to work on the output. So it's generating the image for me. Let's wait. So I want to brush over to the common challenges and the solutions that we may face. Common challenges that we may face with QWENLM AI and how to solve them. So one of the challenges is difficult in crafting effective prompts. If you don't know how to craft prompts, it may be an issue for you to get a good result. So another challenge is misunderstanding outputs due to unclear instructions. So it is what you give to the AI that will give back to you. At times we know AI models can be funny at times, but make sure that your prompts are good so that the output will also be manageable for you to use. Now always use a clear, specific language, when you are interacting with any AI model at all, whether it's QWENLM or ChatGPT or whatever. Ensure you speak, you write very well so the model can understand. Use different phrasing until you get your desired result. You can tell your AI model to recreate and recreate and recreate over and over again till you get your results. Then let's talk about ethical consideration. You need to understand that you need to use AI responsibly. You must avoid plagiarism or misuse of generated content, because it's AI generated. You should be able to use it wisely and responsibly. Respect people's privacy and always ensure that you follow data security guidelines when you are using the AI model. And we've had people, doctoring a video, doctoring a song, the sound of somebody for another person. Those things are not too good. So you need to you also need to think critically about AI generated information, because most times the outputs are inaccurate. So you don't just take everything that AI generates for you, hook, line, and sinker, sift through them and ensure that you have the right information before you disseminate. So thank you so much, and I believe this video has been very, very beneficial to you. I started by telling you what this powerful AI model is, QWENLM AI. I told you that it's from Alibaba, and I told you what makes it unique because it's flexible, it's almost very free, and it's also localized, and it also supports Nigerian and other African languages combined. So it's a very robust tool that will get you, and I showed you how you can use it to write letters, how to create social media plans, and quite a lot of them. So I just want you to play around with it. So try QWENLM out. Go to chat.qwenlm.ai. That is just the URL to go to. Then you sign up, then you start playing around. So I want you to share your experience with me in the comment section. Do you prefer ChatGPT to QWENLM, or you prefer QWENLM to ChatGPT? Let me know in the comment section. So AI is here to empower us. So let's embrace it wisely and make our countries, our continent great again. I want to thank you so much for joining me in this short tutorial. This is Valutal TV. It is our desire that we empower you with what you need to be able to build for yourself wealth online. And please, if this video has been beneficial to you, share this video with a friend, with a colleague, with somebody that loves to use AI to do quite a lot of things. And please, if you are also new to this channel, please press the subscribe button. Please help our ministry so that we can grow, and we can also get the needed support to also churn out powerful and very educative videos like this. Please do also to share this video and like it. Please like it. Let's engage, let's interact, and of course I told you, let me know the group you belong to, ChatGPT or QWENLM, and share your experience in the comment section. Till I come your way next time, I am David Shonde Abiola, and people call me Uncle Alikama. Remain positive. Bye for now.